Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEPA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video right there. So just go to that link and I'll explain in detail. Today was quite the eventful day, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward, although a pretty rough close to the day. So to better explain this, let's just get this area of support that had done a good job essentially all day long. And that was right here around $3.80. I mean, if you go through the history of things, you can see it did a good job of acting as support there. Then later on in the day, acted as support. Then the final 30 minutes happened right there. And you can see during that final 30 minutes, got the candle that finally, wasn't a massive red candle, but it was a big enough candle to get quite a bit of separation to the downside and now close at 356. So does that mean that this thing's headed right back down to $2? I'm not saying that, but at this point, it would not be shocking at all to see the price drift downwards further until right around, the $3 mark, maybe even a little bit lower, and, the quote-unquote little bit lower. I'm being a little bit sketchy with that because it's hard to say for sure because the next level of support is based at this purple line right here, which is the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So yes, right now that line is valued at 281, but that is going to move and change as Friday plays out. So like I said, right around that area because, you're never going to know exactly what that level is going to be valued at. But the general idea here that I'm trying to get across is that last, late day break here, while not a guarantee, also would not be shocking in the least to see the price now venture its way down towards the $3 mark. And that also what brings about the first level as far as resistances are concerned. And this rule is just based on a very foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in the event the price does try to turn around at all, 385 in the very near term is going to be that first key level of resistance to keep an eye on. If the price can push up through there, next key level after that would be right up there around $4.50. So again, as far as resistance levels are concerned, 385 and then 450. And then as far as supports are concerned, right around that $3 range, give or take, depending on how that 50-period moving average, behaves on Friday. But yeah, a rough close, but we'll see what happens with it. And it'll be interesting to see how this one closes on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.